If you're thinking about buying Audience for your social media management and analytics, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. By the end, you'll understand whether it's the right tool for you or if another option might serve you better. First, let's talk about its core strength, audience segmentation. Audience provides advanced targeting capabilities, letting you analyze and segment audiences in ways that many competitors don't, like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. This makes it particularly useful for marketers who need to drill down into specific niches. The second thing to consider is its social listening feature. While Audience offers some great tools to monitor social media conversations, it's not as extensive as competitors like Brandwatch or Mention, which offer broader monitoring across multiple platforms. So, if social listening is a priority for your strategy, keep that in mind. Next, Audience is known for its ability to integrate with other platforms, especially in-depth integrations with tools like Google Analytics. But while these integrations are great, it's not as seamless as something like HubSpot, which offers an all-in-one solution with built-in CRM and marketing features. The fourth thing to note is the reporting. Audience offers custom reports with a good level of detail, but it can feel overwhelming if you're looking for a more simplified dashboard. Tools like Buffer or Sprout Social might suit you better if you prefer a cleaner, user-friendly experience. Moving on, the user interface in Audience isn't the most intuitive. It's powerful, but it can take some time to get used to. If you're after something simpler and easier to navigate, other options like Later or Social Bee might be more up your alley. Next, let's talk about price. Audience is priced higher than many competitors, especially for the features you get. For example, platforms like Zoho Social or Sendable offer lower cost plans with fewer limitations, making them more budget friendly for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. The seventh thing is the analytics. Audience excels at deep insights into audience behavior, and its demographic data is impressive. However, it may not be as visually appealing or easy to digest as what you get with tools like Sprout Social, which offers more attractive visual reports. Another thing to consider is Audience customer support. While they do offer assistance via email and chat, it's not as responsive as some of the more dedicated support teams at platforms like Buffer, which is known for great customer service. If you need quick help, this could be a downside. Next up, Audience automation capabilities. You can automate certain tasks, but it's not as feature-rich as more established tools like Hootsuite or Social Pilot, which allow for more flexible scheduling and automation options. The 10th point is scalability. Audience is suited for businesses looking for a robust solution, especially larger companies. However, if you're a freelancer or a small business, its pricing and complexity may feel like overkill. More straightforward tools like AgriPulse might be a better fit for smaller teams. The 11th thing is its focus on Twitter and Instagram. If you're primarily using Facebook, LinkedIn, or other social platforms, Audience might not be as versatile for your needs as competitors like Sprinkler or Sendable, which support a wider range of networks. And finally, despite its strengths, Audience isn't as versatile when it comes to creative content scheduling. If content planning is a major part of your strategy, something like Planoly or Later, which are more visual content focused, might serve you better. So, is Audience worth the investment? It certainly offers a powerful solution for audience segmentation, analytics, and social listening, but it might not be the best choice for everyone, especially if you're looking for simplicity or a more budget-friendly option. If you're still on the fence, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It may offer the features you need without some of the trade-offs.